Have you ever wondered what the invisible blueprint is for a successful, organized, and legitimate nonprofit organization? It is not just about a great mission. It is about the foundational documents that guide every decision. If a nonprofit has no bylaws, it operates in a state of significant legal and organizational vulnerability. Without bylaws, the organization lacks clear rules for governance, decision-making, and conflict resolution, potentially leading to operational chaos, legal challenges, loss of tax-exempt status, and damage to its credibility. The core reason bylaws are indispensable stems from their role as the internal operating manual for your nonprofit. They establish the framework for legal compliance, clearly defining the rights and responsibilities of board members, outlining procedures for elections, meetings, and amendments, and ensuring accountability to stakeholders and regulatory bodies. Without this structure, the Internal Revenue Service, or IRS, could question the organization's adherence to its charitable purpose, risking its tax-exempt status under Section 501(c)(3). To move from this precarious state to one of stability, an organization without bylaws must prioritize their creation and formal adoption. Start by researching sample bylaws from similar organizations or consulting with legal counsel specializing in nonprofit law to understand key provisions. Next, convene the board of directors to draft and carefully review a set of bylaws that reflected your organization's unique mission and operational needs. Finally, formally adopt these bylaws through a vote by the board and ensure they are filed or maintained as required by your state's regulations, establishing your foundational rules. Understanding the nuanced role of bylaws also reveals why legal counsel is often invaluable during their creation. For instance, specific clauses regarding indemnification, which protects board members from personal liability, or provisions for dissolving the organization must be drafted meticulously to comply with state and federal laws. These details, though seemingly small, can prevent future lawsuits and ensure smooth transitions, protecting both the individuals involved and the organization's mission. Ultimately, having clearly defined and regularly reviewed bylaws is not merely a legal checkbox. It is a strategic investment in your nonprofit's long-term health, stability, and mission fulfillment. They empower your board to govern effectively, foster transparency, and safeguard your organization's purpose against internal disputes and external scrutiny, allowing you to focus on making a positive impact.